dark, but it's a new day.
Yes,
Get
man.
caught up in a new wave. Shop the track up in a new ways. If it tap me, get
So
a
my
new
father
place.
love, it's a cleanliness and
It's the
godliness.
godliness,
And
right.
when you king, you have peace.
Thank you so much for the
I
conversation.
have a lovely rebound.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm a dreadlock, yeah. Killing them woman, yeah. All these blessings where I come my way. Pray to the Father, say,
See this, dip, don't move, go back. Right.
Everybody's gonna come here and look for you every time they pass right here.
You see how you bad out. Why you want to do me that now, man? Why you want to do this a typical Jamaica woman? Penfield River, any foreigner, anybody, come to Penfield without any fear. Come enjoy the beautiful, beautiful river up here. Come up here, you can't run. So what you just love whisper all the way?
Yes.
Unity.
Yes.
Watch this. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. When you come on make case for experience the nicest of Penfield, Garden Town, Jamaica.
That's what we want to see. Yes. Respect.
Yeah, man.